Imagine teleportation and invisibility not as tricks from a sci-fi movie, but as actual outcomes of a top-secret military experiment during the height of World War II. Welcome to the mysterious and controversial tale of the Philadelphia experiment. Said to occur in 1943, this experiment allegedly made the USS Eldridge, a naval destroyer escort, vanish from Philadelphia, only to reappear in Norfolk, Virginia, before returning. The story bends reality to its breaking point, mixing known physics with mind-boggling military pursuits. Yet its intrigue is irresistible, prompting us to explore its depths. Let's dive into the heart of this enigmatic story by first understanding its ostensible goal: the application of Einstein's unified field theory to cloak a massive ship. Einstein's theory, a continuation of his work on relativity, aimed at linking electromagnetism and gravity into a single framework. Though he never completed it in a scientifically accepted form, proponents of the Philadelphia experiment story suggest that his theoretical work provided a basis for the experiment's techno-wizardry aimed at manipulating light and electromagnetic fields around the USS Eldridge. During the supposed initial test, a series of generators were said to bend light around the ship, an advanced application theoretically akin to what we might today term metamaterials or cloaking devices. These materials guide light waves around objects, making them appear invisible, much like water flowing around a rock. The experiment supposedly pushed these ideas to their speculative limits. However, the ambition of invisibility came at a high cost. Crew members reportedly suffered from grave afflictions, some even fused to the ship's metal, living sculptures of a sci-fi nightmare. This grisly outcome is said to result from the destabilization of molecular structures, an idea that echoes modern quantum teleportation research, which even today is in its infancy and limited to particles, not people. Further adding to the eerie aura of the story is a second test, where the USS Eldridge is claimed to have teleported over 200 miles and back within minutes. Here, the narrative bridges with documented phenomena like the quantum entanglement, where particles instantaneously affect each other over vast distances, a principle Einstein famously derided as spooky action at a distance. The aftermath, as the story goes, involved a sweeping cover-up by the US government, silencing witnesses through various means, including alleged brainwashing and financial inducements, and scrubbing all physical evidence. This narrative taps into a deep-seated cultural vein of distrust in governmental transparency and accountability, echoing real historical events where the truth was buried under layers of secrecy. Public reception of the Philadelphia experiment ranges from die-hard believers to staunch skeptics. The latter criticize the dearth of empirical evidence and the implausibility of the scientific claims, which clash with established principles like the conservation of mass energy and the non-transferability of molecular cohesion across such grand scales. Meanwhile, believers hold up the story as a dark mirror, reflecting what they perceive as a Pandora's box of governmental capabilities in advanced technology and espionage. Despite these controversies, or perhaps because of them, the story persists, woven into the fabric of modern mythos. It underscores a pattern in human behavior, our attraction to unsolved mysteries, and our enduring interest in pushing the boundaries of the known world. This fixation speaks to a collective imagination captivated by the possibilities of what lies just beyond the frontier of current understanding. In crafting this narrative, we must consider its role not merely as an anecdote of paranormal intrigue, but as a cultural lens. It offers insights into the interplay between science and societal fears, between wartime pressures and the limits of human ethics. The Philadelphia experiment, real or not, serves as a compelling allegory for the age-old dance between fact and fiction. As we unravel these threads, we keep pulling, driven by the same human curiosity that fuels tales of the fantastical. What other secrets might lie hidden in the annals of history, cloaked not by unified field theory, but by time, waiting for the perfect storm of circumstance and scrutiny to bring them to light? Join us as we continue to explore the mysteries of science and the endless what-ifs of history.